Welcome back to Frugal Insights. We're always looking for ways to save money and make the most of our finances. In this video, we're tackling the question, are credit card rewards really worth it? What are credit card rewards? Credit card rewards are incentives offered by credit card companies to encourage you to use their cards. These rewards can come in various forms, such as cashback, points, travel miles, or other perks. Sounds great, right? But are they really worth it? Types of credit card rewards. There are several types of credit card rewards out there. Some popular ones include cashback rewards. Earn a percentage of your purchases back as cash. Points rewards. Earn points for every dollar spent. Redeemable for rewards like gift cards or travel. Travel rewards. Earn miles or points for travel-related expenses. Sign-up bonuses. One-time reward for meeting spending requirements within a certain time frame. Pros and cons. Let's weigh the pros and cons of credit card rewards. On the plus side, rewards can be a great way to earn benefits from your everyday spending. However, there are some potential downsides to consider. Interest charges. If you don't pay your balance in full, interest charges can quickly outweigh the rewards. Fees. Some credit cards come with annual fees, foreign transaction fees, or other charges that can eat into your rewards. Overspending. Rewards can tempt you to spend more than you normally would, leading to debt and financial stress. Are credit card rewards worth it? The answer depends on your financial habits and goals. If you pay your balance in full each month, use your credit card for everyday expenses, and don't overspend, rewards can be a great perk. However, if you're carrying a balance or overspending to earn rewards, it's probably not worth it. In conclusion, credit card rewards can be a valuable benefit if used responsibly. Just remember to read the fine print, understand the terms and conditions, and don't let rewards tempt you into overspending. Thanks for watching Frugal Insights. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more personal finance tips and advice. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover, feel free to leave a comment below. We'll see you in the next video.